Here's designer. My 130-pound Cane Corso. Real family member too. He loves to take the bath, but he doesn't love the rinse off. Come on, big boy. Now watch this. No rinsing. I'm gonna wash his bath brush. Here. Really, buddy? You have to rinse too. I'm not gonna keep doing this. This is the third bath of the day. It's time to rinse. Meet designer, guys. 130-pound Cane Corso. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. You want to stay soapy? Huh? You want to stay soapy? There you go. Get you some. Get you some. Good boy. Good boy. Ah. Good boy. Dry off? You like your dry? That's a good boy. Here he's drying off. You can see the fan right behind the little silver box. Is actually a blowing fan. He's been sitting or standing in front of that fan since about 5 months old. Come on, get back in front That's his way of drying off. Good boy. Come on. That's a good one. That's a good baby. No, don't go out there. Give about 10 more minutes, then you can go play. I know you do, but you better not. 10 minutes, designer. You hear me? Doodle. 10 more minutes. Go dry off. Good boy. 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 Your light's drying off. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. You're still a good boy. Now this is the highlight of his day. I get to play with mama. I'm nice and clean, so now I can come play with my mama. They're playing here. But trust me, if you try and play with her, it's gonna be a different story. Watch how quick he responds when she gets aggressive. She scared you. That's enough. It's enough, buddy. Jesus Christ.